present here the iLife V1 robotic vacuum, an entry-level appliance from the iLife Chinese manufacturer. If you follow my blog on a daily basis, I bet you remember the market study I made a few weeks ago. In my research, I found that about 16% of the potential customers would pay maximum $100 for such a commodity. iLife is already targeting the cheap robot vacuums market, so it was only natural to come up with a product that would cover this void. However, don't be fooled by the low price. The V1 is a basic gizmo with lots to offer. Let's check it out. As we open the box, we have the robot body, an user manual and a quick start guide, 2 extra side brushes and a cleaning brush, 4 HEPA filters and an adapter. Accessing the 10 ounces dustbin is easy. This component also stores the double filtration system, which is made of the primary filter and the secondary HEPA. Both are easy to mount and unmount. These should be cleaned at least once a week. Turning over the V1, we meet the plastic wheels, powerful enough to climb over small obstacles. The 2 side brushes are large and strong, and 3 cliff sensors ensure it doesn't fall up the stairs. The suction is enough to fill the dust recipient during the trials. We have everything in it, including Cheerios, rice, cornflour and paper. The iLife V1 is 100% fall-free. The OBS detection system allows the unit to sweep the house without hitting any obstacles, thus protecting your furniture and the robot itself from damage. With a height of only 3 inches, its slim body can easily go under the sofas, beds, kickstands and so on. Depending on the working environment, it chooses among multiple cleaning modes, such as spot cleaning and edge cleaning. The 2 strong side brushes allow it to work on all types of floor, including wood, marble, tiles and carpet. Thanks for watching. Visit vacuumsguide.com to find out more about the V1 or other iLife robots.